Copy them. Also, hi guys, we're at it again. Today we're in Oakland Drive with our newest customer, Nadira. Welcome.
Thank you.
How you like it already?
It's good. Pretty easy. I was actually thinking that I would have to go somewhere to collect the packages, but it's delivered here, so that's awesome service.
Okay.
Thank you. And I love the fact that the app allows me to check as to where
You hear that? You hear that?
are. So I'm able to keep track of things, so it's not left there and I don't know what's happening.
So you love the update, you like knowing
Yes.
exactly where your package is.
Yes, and thanks for the coupon.
But you're gonna use it soon.
Yeah.
Even the dogs are happy. Look at them. Even the dogs happy, you know. Yes. So we're pleased to serve you.
Thank you.
And we're here for you all day, every day. Make sure you shop and enjoy. We'll deliver it right here for you.
Okay, thank you. I will be
And make sure you tell your friends, make sure you tell your family, because you love the service so much.
Yes.
All right?
Alright.
Looking forward to doing more business with you.
No problem.
All right. There you have it. First time customer. She loves us. And we're loving her too. That's how we do it on the delivery trail.